So today children, we are going to make a beautiful painting again with alphabet A. My Nana Muna Chinu Minus. Just listen very carefully. Very easy painting and you can make it the best. So what you do is you write a big A. After writing the big A, you will see the center and you will write a chotu sa A. Wow. Now again you will do the same thing. You will write a big A. Okay. And after writing the big A again, you will see the center and you will write the small A. Okay. Now you make the eyes. You must have understood what it is. It is the fish. Now you all have learned the number 0. So similarly you will make 0. Undo, 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 undo. This undus need to be clubbed to each other. They should be chit-code to each other. Okay, undo, undo. Now the ulta U pattern. Ulta U is the inverted U. See, you make one inverted U big, one inverted U small, one inverted U big, one inverted U very small. Then you make one inverted U big, small, medium, big, small, medium, big, small. Array, small, big, medium. Okay. After this, what you do is, you know how to write V? So we will write one V here, one V here, one V here, one V here. Now we will invert the book and write one V here, one V here. So how many alphabets have we used in this drawing? See, we have used one big A, one small a, one big A, one small a. We have used the 0, 0, 0, 0. We have used U. Now see, this is U. But how we have done? We have inverted it. Usko uppar se ulta टांग दिया. Then we have used V alphabet. Correct? We have used V alphabet. Now what will we do is make few bubbles coming out. This is the bubbles. Oxygen bubbles coming out of the fish. This is the favorite. Whenever you make a fish tank, you always make these oxygen bubbles. Now what is left is the wave. Like how the snake goes. You know how a snake travels? A snake travels like that. Correct? You have ever seen a snake going like that? Similarly, what you are supposed to do is, the snake has to travel. The snake has to travel. Now the snake is so good, it will not eat the fish. The snake has to travel. And our beautiful aquarium is over. Now we shall start with the coloring part. See children, first we will take our yellow. You can take lemon yellow, you can take any yellow, whichever you wish to take. I'll take the lemon yellow, come on. I'll take the lemon yellow and quickly color my fishes yellow. You know why I'm coloring it yellow? Because these are tiger fishes. See, they have stripes like tigers. So I call them as tiger fishes. So this is the tiger fish which we have colored yellow. We haven't colored anything here because this will be either black in color or you can use brown, whichever you wish. Okay, the fishes is done. Now let us go for the leaves. So for the leaves we will use two colors. One is dark green, one is popatia green, the parrot green. You can use any two shades of green. One should be dark and one should be light. Now what will we do is, we will shade the lower parts quickly dark green. Let the lower parts be dark green. We are just filling colors, bacha. We are doing nothing great. We are just filling colors. Your color should not go out. If it goes out, you are out. Okay. Now we use the popatia green. Popatia green is the parrot green. Now what you do is, just from below, you take the color up. From below you take the color up. And there is a beautiful shading done of dark green and parrot green. Have you all seen parrots? Yes, parrots are this color. So I called it Popatya green. Now what will we do? See, we are using black. We will write CC on the stone. C, 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 C. You also see. Now you will take your brown color, the chocolate brown color. You'll do gully 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 till half of the stone. Gully 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 gully. Done. Now we will take the light brown color, or you can take the buff color if you wish. Now what you have to do is you have to pull this brown out. Again, gully 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 gully. So your stones are done, your leaves are done, your fishes are done. Now what remains is the bubbles. Now we'll make it a little colorful. We will take purple color. What we will do is color half of the bubbles purple, half of the bubbles purple. Now this is very chintu, but still you can do that. Half of it purple, half of it purple, half of it purple. Now you take your white color, keep on dusting your book. Take your white color and gully 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 gully. See, your bubbles are also done. Now we will take two colors. One will be dark blue, one will be light blue. Light blue can be the lightest color, but dark blue, please don't take Persian blue. You can take brilliant blue, you can take turquoise blue, or whichever blue, but not Persian blue. Okay, Persian blue will become too dark. Now you can see three portions, correct? One portion, two portion, three portion. Now as you wish, I am taking the dark color out. First I make the borders. See, this teacher has become so old, but still I make my borders first, correct? When you make the borders, you are confident, yes, my color is not going to go out. So first you have to make your borders. Every painting, however big you become, bacha, first you have to do your borders. Now after you finish your borders, you can quickly fill the color. But remember to use the gully gully technique, because once you start using the gully gully technique, you will keep no buddhas inside. That means there will be no white spots left inside. Okay, no white hairs inside. We want everything to look young and beautiful. See, we are colorful people. So our drawing also should be very, very colorful and with no white marks inside. Okay, that is the technique of making a beautiful painting. No white marks. So for that you have to use the circular movement technique. Now I have done my dark blue here. I shall do my dark blue down. Now down is a little challenging because there is so much things, so many borders. First I take the border of the wave. Now this is the wave. I did the border of the wave. See, I did the border of the wave. Now the book ka border, this side book ka border. Now the borders of the leaves. Can you see? I'm inverting my book, doing the borders, inverting, doing my borders properly. Sometimes you can fill in wherever required. Oh my God, I should not go inside this. Oh ho 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 ho. Done. Ah ha 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 ha. Done. Ha 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 ha. Done. Ah ha ha ha. small children, please take small books. Don't take giant size books, because if you take the giant size books and you start coloring, your hands will start taking and you will feel that the entire drawing is like a witch telling मेरे को complete करना है. If you take a small book, you will not get tired and you will feel, yes, I have completed the drawing. Oh, these spaces are left. So I have completed my turquoise blue. No, I have taken the brilliant blue, so up and down. Now in between, I use my light blue color. I quickly remove the wrapper. And I again start doing my borders. Borders is very essential. Without doing borders, please don't do. See, such a small gullu. Now first you'll make the border of the gullu and then you will fill. Once you make the borders, no problem. All problem choli geche. It all goes away. The only thing is the border. Now I can complete. Now I'll complete this border. Fish, fish, what has come in between? Right, so fast. Okay, I have completed this. Now I make the border. I make the border of this circle. I make the border. I make the border. I make the border. Remember, children who have sent me the drawings of the little house which we did with alphabet A. See, if you cannot do your black borders properly, you can ask your mummies to do, or you can first sketch it with a sketch pen. No issues at all. No issues at all. But then if you are using your black oil pastel, you have to be careful, because nahi to black is a very dangerous color. It will spread and it will spoil your painting if you don't do it properly. It is the Raja. So you have to be very careful. See, now I am using my black color to do the borders. See, if you cannot do it, you can ask your mummy to do it. No issues. But your painting should look superb. If you can do it, nothing like it. See, I am doing my borders again. Now I am filling this black V's. I did not do it initially because black is a color which you need to operate only at the last. Okay, now this is the wave which goes here. I circle this one wave. I circle the other bubble. I circle this bubble. I do my A. I have written A. You know, I have 20 drawings which you can do with letter A. But I am going to teach you all only 2. Otherwise, you all will say, teacher को A के आगे कुछ आता ही नहीं है. I will teach you with letters and numbers. Very easy drawings. But I have to go age-wise. Now, this is for my Chuni Munis. Now, the next video will be for my little big ones and then my bigger ones. Okay, if I start doing only for the smaller ones, the bigger ones get angry. If I start doing for the little ones, beach walas, the small children keep on texting me. Okay, so I have to give weightage to everyone. Now you can do the borders of the stone. Okay, the little parts which are left is also water, so we'll color it blue. Okay, these parts are also water. We should not leave them. So you see, the beautiful aquarium is ready.